Footsteps upon the cobblestone, stories in the air. Every road to Zion starts with prayer. Adonai, the journey long, but the heart is sure. Every path that leads to you is pure. Footprints fade, but faith remains, carved in silent sand. Every pilgrim finds his peace upon this land. Elohim, my faithful guide, walk this road with me till I reach the gates of thee.
Through the sun and through the rain, every trial and test,
still I find your mercy in my chest. Pilgrim hearts from every shore sing a single tune, peace beneath the holy moon.
Lanterns glow along the way, shadows fade behind. Every mile a memory, every step divine.
Hands are raised in gratitude, eyes toward the sky. Home is near, the end is nigh. And when I reach the city walls, tears will fill my eyes. The pilgrim's road has led me home, where forever lies Jerusalem, my promised rest. In your light my soul is blessed.
Light of Zion shining bright, beacon of truth through darkest night. Adonai's word, a lamp to our way, guides his children day by day. Mountains of Zion, steadfast and high, Elohim's promise will never die. Songs of David echo in peace, shalom eternal. He said.